Namaste, and come with me to Dubare Elephant Camp on the banks of Kaveri River in Karnataka, where elephants are pampered and you can meet them up close and personal. You can see animals being trained here to carry these logs of woods and arrange them neatly in a pile. It is interesting to see this human animal interface. Remember, elephants have been used in India to carry heavy material since time immemorial. They were builders of our grand temples when they carried heavy stones, especially when they were carried on top of the shikharas. Elephants are taken for a walk in the jungle and, of course, to the river where they are royally treated with a royal bath. They come and quietly sit in the river, they stand and they are given a shower bath by the Mahawats as well as by the travelers visiting there, the tourists visiting there. Children simply love watching them being bathed, uh, you know, and it is fascinating to see how they sit in the water, uh, exposing their backs that need to be washed, and then they turn around, and then they once they are washed they get up and they walk back to their enclosures. While you admire the elephants, do not forget to look at the rocky bed of the Kaveri River, which allows elephants as well as us humans to go in and out of the water and play with its waters. You can visit Dubare Elephant Camp from Mysore, Bangalore, Mangalore, or Coorg. We visited it when we were exploring Coorg as the coffee bowl of India, and we did a small half day detour from Coorg to visit Dubare as well as Nisarg Dham, which I am going to take you to in a minute. This reminds me that once upon a time, we humans also used to take our baths in the flowing waters of the rivers near us. But growing urbanization has taken away that privilege from us, and now this water is piped to our homes for a bath. Getting showered by the elephants is one of the most favorite activity for the tourist, especially the younger ones who simply love to stand below the shower. This is a lovely cable bridge over River Kaveri in an island or a delta of the river called Nisarg Dham. The place is surrounded with lots of nature around the river Kaveri, and you see lot of cultural as well as natural aspects of Karnataka here. The most favorite activity, though, remains spending time with the elephants as they take bath in the river Kaveri. Do not forget to subscribe to InDetails YouTube channel. Namaste.